What's going on, everybody? It's Trey Neal here, and welcome back to another live day trading recap video. I'm still on vacation. I'm still just on my laptop, and I think today is a perfect representation of how easy it is to make money anywhere when you're trading a proven system. It's a really short video. I only have one live recorded trade for you in this video. I'm on vacation, not spending a lot of time, only on my laptop, but I can still just trade the system, make a little bit of money, go on about my day, right? I also have another trade that I took off camera that I will go over at the end, so make sure you stick around. Hit like, hit subscribe, and let's get into the live action. Finally gonna get to take a trade. At 10:20, 50 minutes after the market's open, we are finally going to get to take a trade. Record set for the longest I have gone before entering a trade since using this system. It is 10:20 and we just now entered a trade. The markets have just been so strong. As you can see, the system is also the system's first trade. It's not like I missed trades or didn't take trades or was scared or anything. Just it took 50 minutes for the market to meet my system, to meet my trade plan. That's wild. That is wild. But now we're in a trade. 100 shares at 442.06. We're immediately down 14 bucks. Obviously, sell condition is over the green line there, which is representing the high of 8 bars back. We buy when SPY breaks down levels. We sell when SPY breaks up levels. Buy weakness, sell strength. It took us 50 minutes to get enough weakness to buy because SPY's been so dang strong this morning. Hopefully this isn't now SPY's been strong all morning, so now it's time for the rollover move. Hopefully it's not that, but trade the system as it trades, trade the setups as they present themselves, and see what happens from there, right? That's all you can do. Prove a system is profitable, trade it. Get in where you're supposed to get in, get out where you're supposed to get out. That's all you can do. What do I always say? Once the markets are open, that's the easy part. This is the easiest part of trading. Market open is the easiest part. All I have to do is trade the system. Formulating the system and doing all that back testing and all that work is what you should be doing when the markets are closed. That's like the actual work of trading. Anyway, this did turn around a little bit for us. We're at break even right now. Still got to get above this green line. See if SPY can continue to show some strength after this insane move this morning. Trying. 2 minutes of indecision since entering. We are up $3. Woo! $4, $5. Uh-oh. Now we're red. Come on, after all this time, SPY, you make me wait 50 minutes to get into a trade. You better not just be a little break-even nothing trade now. Let's get at least a banger of a trade. Let's go rip to 442.5, shall we? You made me wait this long. You might as well. I was patient. I was nice and patient with you. You might as well pay me back a little bit, SPY, right? That's how that works, right? The markets care about your feelings, right, champ? Isn't that how it works? Wow, still at break even. Okay, we're chilling. At least, to be fair, at least it's holding its gains. After making this big of a move, at least we didn't buy, and it's by the immediate rollover after this big of a move. At least it's holding its gains a little bit here. This is close to a sell candle. No sell yet, but it's close. Just needs a little bit more of a perk up, and this will be a sell candle. Ooh, that is close. Did that break? I think it did. Yes, it did. So wherever this candle closes, we're out of this trade. Can we get a little push? We got 40 seconds left. Can we get a little push? I did say 442.5. That would be nice. Come on, SPY. 35 seconds. Can you give us a little push? No, you can't. Yes. We're up 15 bucks. What? 20 bucks. What? Ooh. You are paying me for my patience a little bit, potentially. I did say 442.5. You're at 442.4. Considered selling half there. I didn't, obviously. I considered selling half. Whatever. It's not like I should have. I once again, get in where the system gets in, get out where the system gets out. We did sell there. Cool. Okay, so it took us 50 minutes to get into a trade. We were patient, nice, wait for the dip, wait for the setup to actually show itself. Don't just FOMO chase into this move. Once again, of course, obviously chasing today would have worked, but think about all the times that chasing wouldn't work, right? You got to create your trade plans for what happens most of the time, not for what happens sometimes. So we were patient, waited for the actual dip, waited for some actual weakness to get into, and we got paid 30 bucks, 29.77. We got paid 30 bucks, first trade of the day. Alrighty, so that was the only live day trade we took this morning. It took a while to get into it. We were watching the markets for 50 minutes out of open. I was live over on Twitch watching the markets out of open. Took a while to get into the trade, but once again, we're just patient, wait for the trade to set itself up, and then we jump into it. Let's go ahead and pull over SPY. So you can see the only other trade we took today was shortly after I ended my stream, shortly after I ended the recording. We took this long here, got long on the dip, sold the rip. Simple enough. That's how the system works, right? And you can see we are up just over $50 on the day. I just want to talk about how, I guess, awesome that is, how good of an example this is. Just when you have a proven system like this, you have a strategy, you code it, you put it into the strategies inside of Thinkorswim or whatever tooling you want to. I use Thinkorswim, quite obviously. And then you can just trade that. You can be doing this while you're working. You can be doing this while you're on vacation, like I am, and just quickly, without really having to think at all, just trade as the system does. You can make 50 bucks just kind of out of nowhere in just 2 stress-free trades, clicking some buttons on your screen. Now I know for most people, 50 bucks, an extra 50 bucks a day could really help change their lives. And that's really the importance of building this profitable, statistically proven edge over the markets. Really takes all the stress out of it, really allows you to do it. Once again, you could be, while I know a lot of people try to trade while they're working, this way, building these strategies in Thinkorswim is a great way to do that. So make sure you sub to learn more about my strategy, to follow along as we continue building others. But showing you the TraderView strategy, the TraderView chart here. As you can see, we are up $1,266 now since we started using the system. Last 3 days were green. Nothing crazy. Once again, we only took 2 trades today. I am on vacation this week, but 2 days of vacation, I'm up 80 bucks. Not going to complain about that. Not sitting around trading, as much as I would normally do, and I'm still making a little bit of money, keeping the graph trending in the correct direction. We will look at the detailed, if you guys are interested in the detailed statistics, enjoy looking at that. I don't think I'm looking at the tag. I am looking at the tag. That's actually, hold on a second. Never mind. I forget. I was like, why is my win rate so high? I forget that I haven't been using the stop loss strategy for that long. Do expect this win rate to come down a little bit. Do expect this win rate to drop off. The strategy, well, it's not a different strategy, but before we implemented the stop loss, the win rate was 65%, right? After, the win rate goes down to about 58, 57%. But at the same token, you should expect this average losing trade and average winning trade to be a lot closer to the same. So it's a little give and take, and that's kind of how it is with statistics, how it is with data. Is lowering the win rate to make this tighter worth it? In this case, with my back testing, yes it is. It's kind of how all this stuff flows together once again. So make sure you're following along with the channel if that stuff is interesting to you, if trying to make extra money while you're on vacation or work is interesting to you. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button on the video if you enjoyed it. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.